Hi there, my name is Gina and I'd like to give you a quick tour of GDI's website services package. Before I begin, I'd like you to know that we're offering our entire suite of services to everyone worldwide free of charge for a solid 7 days. That's right, you can use all of our services and even begin building your own income for life immediately without investing any money whatsoever. Why are we doing this? Simple. We've found that by letting everyone try our services risk-free, that more than 85% of those trial users become paid customers. After trying our services for 7 days, if you happen to be one of those 85%, you will be billed only $10 per month. Also, there are no contracts or commitments. You can stop your service at any time. So as you can see, this is truly a risk-free opportunity to try out our services and the business program that has become the buzz of the internet in nearly 200 countries worldwide. Your website package will be incredibly easy for you to use. Children, adults, and senior citizens, families and businesses all over the world now have a permanent home on the internet. It all starts with choosing your very own .ws website domain name. In order to choose your own domain name, we'll ask you to go to a computer with internet access and set up your free account with Global Domains International, which takes about 60 seconds to complete. Then you can instantly start searching for your domain name. You'll know right away if it's available. You can choose to use your name or anything else you're interested in as your domain name. On the domain name search page is a link you can click on to see the last 20 .ws domain names registered to give you some ideas. Once you have your domain chosen, you'll be taken to the final page, which is Payment Setup. Now, one thing you must understand is that even though we collect your payment information, we absolutely will not charge you any money if you decide to cancel your services within 7 days. That gives you a full week or a total of 168 hours to try everything out and decide if you'd like to proceed as a paid customer or not. We do this so our system can be automatic, and we can continue to serve the more than 85% of the people who try our services, love them, and decide that they want to stay with us. Once again, you will not be charged if you decide not to continue at any point during your 7-day trial. This entire process will take you as little as 2 minutes if you know which domain you want and it's available. Once you have your account and your domain name, you can immediately start to use the supporting services, which are twofold. The first thing you will want to do is log in and set up your email. With your website package, you will have the ability to configure many email boxes, which you can access either via webmail from any computer with internet access, like Yahoo or Hotmail offer, or you can choose to access your email using your existing email program on your main computer. For you techie types out there, yes, we support both of the main email protocols, which are POP and IMAP. The simplest way, though, is to just use our easy web interface. You can set up several email addresses on your new domain name, or you can even set your account to forward anything at your new domain name to an existing email account. The interface is very easy to use, and as you can see, it offers complete flexibility. You can even set up other email accounts for friends or family, and they will have their own passwords for their security and privacy, but you control if that email address is active or not. The beauty of having your own domain name and email addresses using that domain is that no matter where you move or what internet access provider you are using at the time, you will have a permanent email address or several email addresses that you own. No one can ever take them away from you or try to change them. Remember, this is your internet address for life and you have total control. Okay, so once you have your email set up, the next thing you will want to do is set up your new website. If this sounds difficult, you're in for a very pleasant surprise. Very young children, adults, and senior citizens worldwide have found delight in using our beautiful, pre-formatted template websites, which allow for easy creation of up to 10 custom pages. In just a few minutes, you can point and click your way to a unique personal or business website. Imagine being able to upload your favorite photos to share with friends and family all over the world. Imagine being able to give all of your loved ones a current update on what is happening with you and your family. You will have total control and instant access to make edits 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. You can do it yourself, and it's now as easy as typing up a simple document on your computer with our fantastic "What you see is what you get" self-service web page generator. Once you have your pages the way you want them, just press publish, and they will be instantly accessible to anyone in the world. If you happen to be more internet savvy and you'd like us to host a custom website that you've created from scratch, you have that option as well, and for no additional money. Premium web hosting is included with every account, and it's worth far more than the $10 per month we charge for the entire services package. In fact, many people are paying thousands of dollars per year for the same type of web services that GDI offers for only $120 per year, and that's one reason why our customer retention rate is so high. The applications for having your own custom website that you control are limitless. If you happen to have your own business already, then you'll be pleased that you no longer need the expensive and time-consuming services of a webmaster. If you have children, you will soon be amazed at how creative your children can be when they are unleashed with their own domain name and website building program. The confidence they will gain with the use of computers and the internet in a constructive way can be priceless. On that note, you can register several domain names and website packages on a trial basis. You should let your children try out the web and email services with their very own domain name while you evaluate the services using your own domain name. Now, everything I've just shown you here is accessible to you right now with no cost at all to get started. The possibilities are endless. I'd like to urge you to take action today as soon as you can get to a computer with internet access and secure your own internet address for life before someone else logs on and takes the domain you want. Once it's gone forever. So don't delay. Get your domain name right away. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy your website package for many years to come.